Hey everybody, this is That Vegan Wife with your realistic, holistic, no fads, just food tips for your plant-based lifestyle. And I am here today sharing my experience at Luvin Arms Animal Sanctuary out in Erie, Colorado. I just got here, so I'm gonna eat some lunch, and you're probably wondering what I'm eating. So can I just show you these jalapeno poppers and casserole that I made last night? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish there was smell-o-vision. These jalapeno poppers are the bee's knees. This casserole has rice, garbanzo beans, broccoli, carrot, onion, garlic, vegan cream cheese, nutritional yeast, salt, pepper. Pretty simple to make. I could probably teach you how to do this. So a few little facts about me that you maybe didn't know, but That Vegan Wife actually grew up on a ranch out in the middle of Texas, and I was exposed to animals at a very, very early age. So it doesn't surprise me that I became vegan, because I've always been around animals and have always been empathetic towards animals. Another fun fact is that I actually had a lot of animals that you're gonna see on this animal sanctuary. I've raised a pig before. I've been exposed to cattle and even kangaroos. I've never been to an animal sanctuary where they take in animals that have been on trucks from factory farming, animals that need help. They don't even have enough room for all the animals that they bring out here. So this is really exciting for me to be out here and learn about this and also show you my experience, because why not? Anyways, I'm gonna keep eating my lunch and I'm gonna go inside and show you what it looks like, or go outside. And it's just beautiful out here. There's mountains over there. There's plains that way. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Those are mountains in the distance, by the way. Oh, it's so beautiful here. And there's a llama just like hanging out over there, and nobody's getting hurt. It's beautiful.
Safety things just before we get started with me. My name's Alexis. I'm the education outreach coordinator here at Luvin Arms. And at Luvin Arms, our mission is to rescue abused and neglected farm animals, provide them with forever homes for the remainder of their natural lifespan. I do have some images here to sort of help describe certain things that I'll be talking about in the industry, just because it's easier to show what a gestation crate looks like than try to explain one. One way you can tell if the drugs are illegal is they get nosebleeds after the races. We're rescued from cockfighting, which is just like dog fighting. It's basically where they people force them to fight until they kill each other. So it's very, very hard on the animals. That's uncomfortable for them. It's instigating. And yeah. And the way that it is made is they take the ducks and they shove a metal pipe down their throat, force feed them 3 times a day until their stomach expands, their liver expands to 10 times its regular size. they'll go out onto this assembly line, and factory workers will pull out all the hens to go into the egg industry and lay eggs. And all of the roosters are, you know, they won't ever lay eggs, so they're considered not valuable. So they will simply get thrown away, or sometimes they're gassed, or sometimes they're crushed up alive. There are pregnant female sows. Sow is just a female pig. Pregnant sows. And they are put in gestation crates. The most common way that people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. So we all have the power to vote for compassion with our dollar, with our fork. It is really easy to do in this country, especially today.
So this has been a really great tour. It's full of education. While we're talking with Alexis, she's also showing us the animals, which is just a really good pairing. You're getting to not only feel and touch and see these animals, but you're also getting the important education behind why it's really important that we're mindful of what we're consuming and how we're consuming it and how it's made and all those kind of things. I'm just really excited to come back out here, learn more, be connected with people who really get it. This has been really fun. And ooh, look, it's raining out there. This has been That Vegan Wife with Luvin Arms Animal Sanctuary, sharing realistic, holistic tips about your plant-based lifestyle. Okay, bye.